Imagine you ask a question, and in just 1 second you get the answer. Now think about this. Who gives that answer better? Google or artificial intelligence? Most people think they do the same job, but they don't. One gives you information, the other gives you solutions. Today, we will find out which one is actually better. AI versus Google. Google is a search engine. Its job is simple. It finds information from the internet and shows it to you. You type a question, and Google gives you thousands of results. Articles, blogs, videos, websites. Everything is there. But here's the problem. Google does not give you the final answer directly. You have to find it yourself. You click links. You read pages. You compare information. And only then you understand what you were looking for. Artificial intelligence works differently. It doesn't just show you links. It gives you direct answers. For example, if you ask a question, AI understands it and responds instantly. It can explain things, compare options, and even give suggestions based on your needs. Instead of making you search through information, AI simply gives you what you're looking for. It feels like talking to a smart assistant that understands and responds in real time. Now let's understand the real difference. Google gives you information. Artificial intelligence gives you understanding. With Google, you search for something, then you open multiple links, and you build the answer yourself. But with AI, you ask a question, and the answer is already structured for you. Google says here are the sources. AI says here is the answer. But this convenience comes with a trade-off, because easy answers are not always the most reliable ones. Let's compare them on two important factors: speed and accuracy. When it comes to speed, artificial intelligence is faster. You ask a question, and you get an instant response. No searching, no clicking, no scrolling, just an answer. But when it comes to accuracy, Google is more reliable because Google shows real websites, real sources, and real information created by people. AI can sometimes make mistakes or give answers that are not fully correct. So in simple terms, AI is faster, but Google is more trustworthy. The truth is not about choosing one over the other. It's about understanding what each one is best at. Google is like a massive library. It contains almost everything that exists on the internet. But you need to know how to find the right book. Artificial intelligence is like a smart assistant. It helps you understand information quickly. But it still depends on the data it has learned from. So one is not replacing the other. They are solving different problems in different ways, and the real power is in knowing when to use which one. In the future, the line between Google and artificial intelligence will become even smaller. Search engines are already becoming smarter, and AI tools are already learning how to search the internet. Soon, you may not think in terms of searching at all. You will simply ask and get intelligent answers instantly. So the competition is not really about who wins. It's about how both evolve together. Because the future of information is not just search and not just intelligence. It is both combined. So which one is better, Google or artificial intelligence? The answer depends on what you need. If you want deep research, Google is powerful. If you want quick understanding, artificial intelligence is faster. But the smartest approach is not choosing one. It's using both together. Because the real advantage is not the tool you use, but how you use it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more AI explained content. You can also suggest a topic you are curious for.